Go. Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing a virtual contest on Weekly Contest 401. A lot of lead code. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord and I guess Twitch. Yeah, I'm here in Columbia, South Carolina after a long wedding. Why did I say it so really? A long, beautiful wedding. It's a very good wedding. And I'm just like very, happy and emotional and full of love, if you will. And yeah, anyway, we could talk about that another time. But today, let's do Recode Weekly Leetcode Contest 401. And let's get started. Let me scroll down slowly so I don't spoil myself with titles or whatever. Warning against cheating. All right, let's do a virtual contest. Are we ready? Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Face palm. All right, how do I end the previous one? Okay, I have 46 minutes. I'm not waiting 46 minutes. How do I end the last one? Oh, wait, there it is. Oh no, I guess I have the video, so it's fine. All right. This is what happens with edge cases, All right, everybody. This is still on YouTube's. So yeah, all right. Oh yeah, didn't look. All right. Let's try this again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Do do. Right. Loading. Right. Oh, another double problem. Is it a natural double problem? I was just saying that it's good that they haven't done any double problems and they've been doing double problems again. Oh well. All right, let's go. Q1. And then K and children in order. What? Okay. After each second, we're holding what? So okay, so it goes 0, 1, 2, 1, 0. Okay. But is there a double thing with this one? Okay, just simulate it then. Okay, fine. This is actually a very annoying one to simulate, if I remember correctly. Because it's just very easy to mess up. Actually, I have seen similar problems before, that's why. How do I want to do it? Is K the seconds? Why K seconds? But you can name things, Leetcode. Go. How do I want to write it? Okay, yeah, just do it. Yeah. What am I doing? I am like choking right now. Okay, whatever. Come on. Okay. This is so annoying actually. Because you don't double count the last one. That's why it's like I don't know, that's so awkward. But then this is how I get a wrong answer. Is it 1 indexed? No, 0 indexed. Is this right though? That's the more important thing. And this is 1 because it's 1 0 indexed. Right, let's just run it first. Was it 1, 2, 2? I mean, it should be good, but I'm also like just not confident about this. Oh no, why did I not test the obvious case? 2, 2. Wow, I cannot believe I. Well, you have good days and you have bad days. Okay. Why am I so bad at Q1? Alright, 0, 1, so you have to do 2 seconds, so it goes from 0 to 1. Doesn't it go from 0 to 1? Oh, no, it goes from 0 to 1 first, and then it goes to 2. Oh, this assumes... Also, I just don't use the Q. I think that's why. I think I just confused myself. How did that pass the examples? Okay. So it was right, but I forgot to use. Okay, I am just being dumb. Okay. All right. You're given two integers, and is this what? Is this the same problem? No. You started. Let's actually read this. Why am I'm rushing too much. I think that's why. I think when you, like, I feel like I'm very fast on Q1s in general. If this ever loads, but I put myself too much pressure. Now I'm just like not doing the problem. All right, let's do it. A sub I is equal to 1. After each second update. After each second, simultaneously update them to be sum of all this. Okay, so it's like a prefix something. Okay, so then you have a mod. So let's remember the mod real quick. Okay, and in case you go 1,000. Okay, so you do. So it goes from to whatever, and then this is triangle numbers, I think. Is it pyramid numbers? No, it's pyramid numbers. That's what it's called. What is the pattern again? What am I trying to find again? The value of a sub I, or a sub n minus 1. Okay, I guess that's what it ends for. What is the, why am I so bad at Q2? Wow, today is just not my day, maybe. Okay. Wait, what am I doing? I can just simulate this, right? It's only 1,000. Why am I trying to, okay. I am a Dumbo. Whatever. No, it's fine. I am not being smart today. I think maybe I'm just a little bit on tilt or whatever. I don't know if I bounce away. Yeah, and I messed something up, which is 4. Right, yeah, okay. So then now we can say this is from 1. Maybe? I don't know. Oops. Why am I doing this way? What am I doing? There's something wrong with me right now. Oh my, what am I doing? What am I doing? I like my big N's and big K's. I think that's what's confusing me. Yep, I need more excuses. What am I doing? What am I doing? Literally a simulation problem, and I'm just like, how do I do simulation? Did this time out? If it times out, I'll be sad. Alright. What's 2 and 3? Okay, so I have different bounds. Okay, let's take a look at the easier one first. Rewards n represent the value of reward to initial. The total reward is 0. All indexes are unmarked. What does that even mean? Choose an unmarked. Okay. So okay, unmarked. You choose an unmarked one. Your current total reward x, then add reward y sub I to x, and then mark it. Oh, it has to be greater. So basically, you're trying to figure out like increasing order type thing. Wait, what? No, 0 to. Oh no, you add. Okay, sorry. So x gets added, so that's why you can. It's not an increasing thing. Okay. Okay. So then the obvious, I don't know if it's obvious, but the DP thing is. But 2000, so it's gonna be like 4 million on the bound, so you can't do an index 4 million thing. That's way too slow. 0 2 1, which 0 2 1. Oh yeah, okay. Has to be strictly greater than, okay. And x is 0, okay. I mean, I think first it's just the order doesn't matter, so we could sort. Now what's the bounds for the next one? It's just, it's not even, I guess it's big enough. Trying to think whether it is it greedy? Can you be greedy? When would you want a bigger amount? No, I don't think greedy works, because you have like a small and then a mid, and you have two choices and then just a big number. Then with that you can choose both, and then you want to choose the big one, so there's a decision there. So then now it's I'm struggling on even the Q3 version, to be honest. And it's 2000. Can I break it down smaller? Can I brute force on? Oh, I see. No, because I said 4 million, but I lied, because the last number has to be small. Okay, I am dumb. Okay, fine. Okay. So we can definitely do the n square version. I'm just pretty bad at math today. And then it's the value, right? So how am I writing this? No, I guess it's just standard, right? So then now we want to say, I mean, you could do a binary search, but I don't even think that's necessary. Is greater than total, then we want to say best is go J. Why am I doing the index so weird? If J is good, then we skip it. Yeah, so it's J plus 1. Total plus reward values of J. But that means that we can start here, so we could do index and then we just return best, right? Oopsie. Okay. I don't know why it's so. Alright, well that's not right, because I have to say best is equal to total. Yeah, okay. 4 7. Nope. Why do I think it's 7? Why do I think it's 7? 1 plus 6, I guess. Well, 1 plus 2 is 4, and you have an index. Why? Tell me why. Should be. I feel like I should be right, but I'm definitely not. Dun dun dun. 0 0 sounds right. J plus 1. Yeah, there's no adding. So it starts. Why 7? 1 plus 2 plus 6 is the answer, right? No, I mean, but 1 plus 2 plus 6 would still be a better answer. And that would be 2, 2, 3. 2 and 3 gives me 7. Why? You go to 4. Okay. But why do you go to 6? Am I missing an index? Why? And this is a whole suffix thing, so you can probably do like a thing, but I'll optimize later when I get there. But okay, index total J. Man, today is just struggle city. Okay, 237 goes to 2, 3, and then 4. Yeah, I mean, so what does that return? Am I messing something up? Why does that return 0? Why does... Oh, I am dumb. Okay, well, that's why. Okay, silly Larry. You don't pay attention to the base case. I was going to... When I wrote that base case, I was going to write it differently, but then I just forgot about it. Just not paying attention to details. That's the issue. It might time limit because Leetcode hates Python, but I guess I should get it accepted first. Yeah, okay. I mean, this should not be. I mean, it's 2,000 square, but Leetcode just hates things. That's actually very sad. It's not even that. You know, I guess if this is sorted, we can say else break, but that's just like a very silly linear thing. Still though, I mean, I don't even know if this is fast enough, but I'm just lazy right now. And luckily this is virtual, so I don't really care anymore. But what I should do is try to convert this to, oh no, this is wrong, isn't it? Huh? I'm just being lazy. What am I doing? Yeah, no, that doesn't make sense. Well, I think I'm supposed to do the reverse of this is silly. And then now else break. Yeah, okay. But this is just still like a very small optimization. I'm just being really lazy on yeah. I mean, what should happen is that Leetcode should make this not stupid. Okay, well, oh, this is just wrong. Now I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. N-1 index. Oh no, because this should be index -1. That's why this is wrong for the input. But it's still too slow, right? So I'm going to convert this in C++, and then convert. I mean, maybe I should just like focus on getting Q4 anyway. Okay, it's still too slow. I don't know. I mean, maybe I do know why. It's because Leetcode's silly. All right, the C++ code is generating is nonsense. All right. Well, I had the fun today. Apparently, Leetcode. Oh no, I'm just being dumb. I'm being dumb. It's because I forgot. I told myself I remembered this and I forgot. This should be. No, then how do you do? Oh wait, no, okay. Yeah, I'm just being dumb. Okay. How do I handle this though? Okay, the reason is so that if total is, I want to say if total is greater than 2,000, we can return total. But so this should be, I forgot about this case. I'm just being dumb. And then now it was doing so many extra work because I forgot about that case. That limits, it doesn't, I have to handle this in a better way, I think. That's why. Okay, I think what has to happen, and this is just very funky, is that if total plus reward values J is greater than 2,000, say, you could even say just the max of the array, which is, I guess, max of the array, we actually know what it is. It's just the last reward values, right? Then else we do this. I forgot about, okay, this is actually not Leetcode's fault. I meant to do this and I totally forgot for some reason. because I was like, that's how you bound the total to 2000, and that's how you do the math work. But then I just totally messed that up. I am a dumbo. So then now you bound it by that. I'm just being dumb. That was not even LeetCode 4. But I also want to say that it just shows so much lack of faith on LeetCode that I just assume it was LeetCode and not me, because it's just like if LeetCode was consistent enough, I wouldn't have second guessed it a lot. There might still be issues, which is fair. It was less than that. What? How does this? Why is this too slow? This is less than the last value. Why is this so slow? Is this a LeetCode thing? Now I can't even tell anymore. Because now we definitely, well, I want to say we bound it. Because now I feel like we bound the total. So that was the thing that I forgot, is to bound the total by the highest number. But and I still, it's just kind of frustrating because I know that this isn't even good enough for Q4, but I want to at least get this right. But it's, or at least like running in time, and I don't know, maybe I should just focus on Q4 version. And I don't know, I'm eating a lot of wrong answers today. But the initial one was legit, but I don't know why this is wrong. Okay, so, and this is sorted, so it shouldn't matter. Okay, we want. Do I do something silly? I don't think so. I just don't know why I'm so slow. I'm just so tilted today. Okay. So that's not, even with that optimization, I mean, that's a huge optimization that I actually did forget, but but seems like I'm converting in C++ with whatchamacallit, with ChatGPT, so to see if that will be a little bit faster. Is there a long situation? No, it only goes up to 2000, so it should be okay. This is time limit in C++. What am I doing wrong? This is just end script. Oh, what am I? I'm dumb. That's what I'm doing wrong. I'm just really bad today. No. This is really wrong. Okay. This is not even LeetCode anymore. This is 2000, and this is 2000. So this is like 2000 cube. So of course it's too slow. What am I thinking? I am not a smart man, is what I'm thinking. But okay, I mean, we could reduce this. It's just that I had all these ideas in my head, but then I just forgot about them, to be frank. Okay, yeah. And then you just don't take, right? So we don't take this number, okay, and then we take the number. I don't know why I'm so bad. Why, Larry? Why? And we have to do something like total plus. If this is less than mx, then we could do this. Else s is. Man, I am just really bad today. And this is such an obvious thing, but I just kind of, I don't know. Just not analyzing right is the story. This is wrong though, because this is not 5. Why is it not 5? Or why am I giving 5 is the better, is what I mean. So this is tick. And this is already max, so then we're done. What am I doing wrong? The total, and then what am I doing wrong? Why is this 5? 1 1 is oh. I'm just dumb. If we would okay, that somehow did not fix it. Oh no, that's because I have the signs wrong. Whoops. Okay, well. What am I doing wrong? Today is just not a good day for me. Okay. This is the right idea. Let's just say this is... No, it should not be... Should it be? I guess it doesn't matter, actually. Well, no, it matters for this case. But the equals... Why is this giving me 5? Why am I so bad at this? Okay. No, I should also put this in as well, because apparently I got a wrong answer from it. I mean, it's not good. Why do I return 5? Oh. I still... This has to be within this thing. No. This is the skip. This has to be this thing. Oh man, I'm just like not... My focus is not here today. Clearly. Okay. 24. Okay. Give it submit. I think I'm just... Leetcode messes with my head too much with respect to... and there you go, right? Okay, so this is a Leetcode thing. Change this. Alright. This is definitely a Leetcode thing, right? Like memory limit exceeded. And the idea is actually to convert it to... like I think if we use arrays, it will be fine, but... like a matrix, but if I'm gonna do that, I might as well just do it in C++. So I asked ChatGPT to do it for me. Okay, I think that's still right. Silly. Okay, and then now Q4 is now we're doing the more interesting part somehow. Really behind. That took half an hour of silliness. I just think. Today, some days you're just having rough days, and that was one of them. Okay, so is that just to make sure that that's the only thing that's different? Okay, and I'm like really struggling on time, so I really need to get the Q4, which a lot of people got apparently. Okay, okay, so we're still sorting. That makes sense. How do I get it in? How do I do it faster? Let's look at this function. Oh, not this function. Let's look at this function, right? This is pseudo polynomial, which we cannot do anymore. This is 50,000. And I don't know that I can do the same technique I did with the bi-weekly. This is not a good day for weekly. This is not a good weekly anyway. The day has been beautiful. What am I doing? Why was I so dumb? Okay. I think. What is the harder way of doing it? So we're maxing over the possibility of these transitions. But is there something not DP about it? Is it still DP, and is it a DP optimization? Hmm. What does the path look like? The path is just... It should be all the numbers that are up to it. And actually, now that I see it, I'm like, this. I should have done this one much quicker. There was another way of doing it with a for loop, but then now, how do I do it that way? Can I abuse it that way? Like another way to write this might have been like this. I'm just doing this right now to kind of brainstorm ideas, but something like for hey, I use right. And now for P and C, right? So these are the previous values. If P is less than K, then yeah, and then we have a next set is equal. Yeah, and then now next we add P plus K, right? And then now scene we add it to next, and then we just kind of, I mean, it's something like this, but not quite, because we have to do the thing where yeah, best is equal to 0, and then we go P plus K. If P plus K is less than the max, then we do this. Else, then best is equal to max P plus K, and then we just return max of scene or max of best, something like this, right? That's also n square or whatever. Maybe if I'm not right. Set plus set is not. Is that not a thing? Oh, is it wrong notation. Yeah, okay. And this is much faster, maybe. At least even in Python, that's good, right? So I forgot about this idea, and I did it the other way. But now, can I read? Does this help with the 50,000? No, because there's 50,000 numbers, and you have to go through 50,000 times. But can I think about this in terms of what does this look like? What does the growth of this look like, right? I think I need some visualization. So let's say we have, well, maybe I'll just do that. Let's take out these, put the cases in here for now. But maybe like 1, 2, 4, and then just print scene. It's gonna skip this stuff with the things though, but so maybe I'll just take that's not really illustrative enough. But what is the? Because I have some idea about like thinking about them in terms of line segments or something. I guess only unique things matter, right? Because I mean, but that's just like a very minor optimization because it would just be all different. But it reminds me of so basically you're taking a segment and then you're adding it. So you have how do I say it? So for all the segments under, so now it becomes another thing of for all numbers under k, add shift it by whatever. I'm trying to honestly, I'm trying to think whether there's like a segment tree solution for this. Because you could definitely do the range. It's almost like yeah. So there is a matrix operation on this, but the matrix solution is also too slow, right? Because you could do a matrix transformation and then do a set of those things. A binary matrix of, okay, yeah, you could do that, but that's still too slow, unfortunately. But that's a very cool way of doing it, though. But okay, so then let's say you have one. Yeah, okay. Hmm. What? Yeah, okay, fine, it's not list. Oh no, it is. And then the 20. We'll do a query on these and then add 20, right? And then some of it's stupid, that's fine. Is there another data structure that I could do? Hmm. How much time do I have left? 54 minutes. This reminds me a lot of like I almost feel like there's like a fast Fourier transform thing about it, but that's, I'm not gonna go there. Because shift and combined, which is kind of what I have here, so shift and combine, but that's not good enough. That's not fast enough. How do I reduce that time? How do I get rid of the decision? Am I doing it wrong? Can I count backwards? 20. It's not greedy. No, it can't be greedy. But is there a way to do it backwards? Hmm. Man, I'm gonna be sad if this was another segment tree thing. that I don't know about. Shift and add. What does that remind me of? Shift and add. It only shifts some subset, right? So I mean, I wonder if I could do it like cheat and do big int and see if it's fast enough. But that's not even like, that's just cheating anyway, even if it works. I don't think that's the idea. I was hoping for a quick solution, but man, this is day and night. I need. How do I even draw edges? So this works in Python, but how do I? And I need to be better about this idea. I think this idea, every time I'm like a little bit slow on it, but so once you see a number, it's there forever. It reminds me a little bit of coin change or something, but in some way. No, that was the. There's a problem that's like a maximal sum of things of things. No, there's no. I mean, is there a way to? No, and you can't do greedy because, for example, you add the number 36 and 36 wouldn't be good enough. So you can't take just a subset because all of these can be a number that you add to in the future, which means that that'll fail greedy by default. $50,000. $50,000. So it's like divided by 8 is no 8 is. So what was 50,000 divided by 32 for an int? And for each number, each number 2,000. No, that's still too slow. It's 50,000 times 2,000. No. Missing an idea. Maybe. It's not something that I can just optimize away. I mean, unless it's square root decomposition. Is there a square root decomposition? No. No, you need the decomposition. It's not seg tree, prefix tree. Thinking of crazy data structures, I'm trying to think whether there's like something more basic. Like line segments, but then we just keep on. It does remind me a little bit of union find in some way, but still you have so many individual components, and if you multiply by, if you don't have even, or if you have one odd number and all even numbers, for example, they will never merge and it will never be fast enough. How do you do it? Well, the numbers that store only 20 cares about these, but then maybe about 21, so then is there a way to store only the numbers we care about? No. Can that be effective? A lot of people got in this. I'm actually like kind of surprised. Oh, in 8 minutes even, stupid cheer. Huh. Am I missing something obvious? I mean, clearly, but missing something obvious for Q3 even. But and BetSim, well done. Even though they all do that weird trick now, but what am I missing then? But they all know Sig Tree now, so. I'm not gonna lie, I'm looking up segment tree to see if there's something like I don't know about segment tree. I don't think so. Well, I mean, there's a lot of things I don't know, but I don't. I don't know that I think so. Alright, maybe something more fundamental. I am really struggling on this one. What does max mean? So, okay, if it's not a set, let's say we have an array of 2,000 booleans and we just shift and, right? Even that is, I don't know why I'm so bad at it, but let's say that. How do we, going down, I was trying to think about going downwards. I don't really see anything obvious about going downwards. But a lot of people got this by now, so I don't know. Am I missing something on this one? I don't think so, right? That'd be funny if I was looking at the wrong problem the entire time, but no, it's just a constraint. It's 50,000, right? Yeah, I didn't misread it. Is there like a binary search I can do? Well, the number can at most be 2 times max. But is there a binary search I can do? No. What about the reverse? What do we do with the fact that 2 is not possible? Is there a pattern here? There is a pattern here, kind of. Based on the fact that, okay, so there's a gap of whatever. There's a 4, but this is a 9, 4, 4, 9. So that doesn't even make sense, right? So this is 1, 4, 1. Right, so it's 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 9. How do you even get 9? Oh, it's just 15. So okay, but so it's 1, 4, 1, 9. How can that even be used? And then it's just the same, right? So you could do like some recursive thing on this structure, maybe. And what happens if we do 20? Yeah, this just, I don't think that works. Okay. How much time? I'm making mistakes left and right on this contest. Used all my juice on brain bi-weekly. Brain juice on bi-weekly. Okay, so this takes the 20 takes the max that's less than 20 to get 36. But then what does that mean? Can I figure something out from this 36, right? Because the next number could be 30, or even just like 25, right? Then we take 21 and then add 25, 40. But they can be any of these numbers. Like the next number could be any smaller than it. So you could force every number to be used, so you need every number. My bags of tricks are not sufficient. This was the other one. Oh, okay, let's look at the Leetcode, the Python version. Okay. Is there anything to optimize? No, I don't think there's anything to optimize here. There's nothing to make, because this is a fundamental thing unless we're able to reduce it somehow, which I don't know that I can know. Also, we can make it faster because only the set values matter. So this so the worst case is that they're all different. What happens when a number is missing? When you take out a number, is there a way to handle that? Think of it that way. Can you take out a number? Here we took out 2, say. Because 1, 2, 3 has all this. And you take out the 2, we've taken out the 2 and the 5. And there's really no other way to get the 2, right? That's not even, how would you even get 5? Like, I mean, I know it's 2 plus 3, but you can't even like go to the bounds of it. This really reminds me of that, like how much possible, or what's the maximum amount you can make with this denomination problem, but I can't figure out how. Or like not max, but without gaps or something. It's that idea of, no, but it's different, because that one you deal with adding spans, and then therefore you have a greedy span on top. Okay. But this isn't quite that, right? Right, so let's, for example, let's look at right, and eventually all the gaps close, so because of 6 is getting filled in. So I don't even know. No, we don't need the thing here. But what is this case? Oh yeah, that's just 2000. Yeah. It's just so if everything is filled, then it's just the biggest two numbers. So that is the upper bound, which we knew kind of, but is there another specific way? For example, if we find a set of these, is there like okay, the case where okay, let's play around with the counter example, right? So you just have one, let's say 1,000, but something like now this is still 150. Wait, yeah. First, how do I put that? So then now, if we have, okay, let's just say we have so something like this, yeah. Oh no, it still has the biggest two numbers. Is the biggest two numbers always in it? I mean, I have to say definitely not, right? But and what does that tell me if the biggest, like, can I abuse that in some way? How do I abuse it? How can I find a way to do this without the biggest two number? So maybe I have yeah, I think that's right. Oh no, that's still wrong. Whoops, I need something like 100 or 99. Yep, okay. Well, even like okay, so yeah, so we don't use the biggest two numbers always. That's what I mean. I kind of knew that, but I was hoping that maybe that'll open an avenue, just exploring. I'm still trying to figure out. Like I feel like I'm missing either one probably or one data structure, and I have no idea how to do it. What am I missing? Try to figure out how did I get 50? Is there it still feels to me something that I don't know. Is there a way to do shift and add in a faster way? Am I like thinking of some weird things? That's effectively what I'm doing, except I'm doing one bit at a time. But can we shift all the bits at the same time? But even then, I don't know. That would be a really fun solution if that was the case. But now, because even adding would take of n number of digits. So that's still, I mean, but that's like a very fast n square. I don't know. I feel like that's cheating anyway, even if it works though. I mean, I have nothing better to do, so how would that even look? Oops, let's do it here. I don't even need to sort it in this case, in that case, but is that right? Yeah, maybe. How do I get the max thing again? I don't even know. I'll just be too lazy because I'm just playing around. Does this work? Nope. Why is that not? Is this not right? Just order. That's k. Okay, it's more than k. The 0th bit is 1. Am I just, and then that's weird. Let's just see. Don't try this at home, kids. Why is that not right? 3:15:63. Okay. Oh, this should be 2 times this anyway, but whatever. I'm just being really bad right now, I suppose. Oh, and this is going down. That's why I'm. That's the other reason why. 11, 11, 195. Is that right? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think that's right. All right. Let's YOLO submit. So that still works, but let's say we have was it 50,000? I mean, this would be really funny, so I'm just gonna submit it. but I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Feels like some sort of like, I don't know. I mean, I think this, it will time out, but it'll just be funny. I mean, I don't think that's the solution though. If that is the, I mean, like I talked about this earlier, but I don't know. I mean, I talked about this earlier, so I don't know that I wanted to count that. But like, because I would have gotten that in like 10 minutes, but I don't know what the real solution is either, so I don't know. I think I am so tired from, so I'm gonna spend like a couple minutes. How much time do I have left? 20 minutes. I'm gonna spend a couple minutes and then we'll see. But I don't know. That's just weird. That's I don't and yeah, I don't know that they can fix it either. But and you could maybe even do something like just to kind of make it whatever. But oh, oops. So this is even faster, but I'm curious about the timing. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, they could definitely add more cases and eventually time it out, but I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. And I don't know if there's another way of doing it that isn't stupid like this. Like, I mean, maybe I should have tried this earlier, but that doesn't feel like the right way to do it. What is like a not cheating way of doing it? Like using it with whatever? I don't know. Like you can't do this with any other languages. I think that's the other thing, right? So like I don't think like the Pythonic specific solution is the idea, but I really have no idea. But that said, I did technically get it accepted, so I am trying to think. What am I? Yeah, I don't know what to do, fam. I mean, I feel like I've already done all the ideas, which is why I'm doing this idea only because I ran out of ideas, and I'm just like very tired today to do it. Nope. Nice try. Leetcode. I'm also trying to figure out like, is it easier to figure out ways that it is not possible? I don't know. I don't know that that's true. No, I'll do it. I did it this way, but I don't know. All right. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm so tired. Yeah, I'll probably come back to this later after the contest and then do a quick review of the other solutions. But that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.